Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Food Spoilage Detection using Raspberry Pi Pico. So here we are using Raspberry Pi Pico module we are using, and one methane sensor, DHT11 temperature, room temperature, humidity, and alarm, ESP8266 16 cross 2 LCD display. So we are displaying the data onto the web page. So food spoilage detection, so methane gas, temperature and humidity alert. So we are taking those values and we are displaying the values onto the monitor. So let us coming into the block diagram. So here we are using power supply module, 5 volts power supply. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, and one red LED and one green LED just for indicators. MQ4 methane sensor, ADC sensor, it is connected with P2 cap ADC 0 26th pin. DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, it is connected to the 16th pin. Alarm, it is connected to the GPIO 17th pin. And ESP8266 module, RX TX 0 and 1. Power supply, methane sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display, alarm, Wi-Fi module, 2 LED indicators, web page, PHP, MySQL DB, HTTP and email alerts we are getting. So here 0 and 1, 0 and 1 serial communication Wi-Fi module, and 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 6 7, those are LCD pins, and 14 15 LEDs, 16th pin DHT11, 17th pin alarm, and ADC 26th pin. So I am getting the email alerts. Okay, so humidity alert, food spoilage detection alert. Okay, so food is not spoiled, so water quality, food is spoiled, and we are getting the alert also. So I am taking one is fresh one, another one is small damaged one. So power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico module, RP2040 microcontroller IC, MQ4 methane sensor, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, 2 LED indicators and alarm. So Wi-Fi module requires the internet, and we are enabling the Wi-Fi hotspot and mobile data. Go to the settings, more options, Terrarian, see mobile setups. So here project 1 2 3 4. Okay, so Wi-Fi hotspot should be connected. Yeah, now I'm going to give the power supply. Okay, power supply on. Yeah, food spoilage detection. Okay, using Raspberry Pi Pico DHT11 Wi-Fi testing, connected, echo, finding network and Wi-Fi module. Okay, yeah, one device connected. Okay, one device connected. Okay, so temperature, humidity and not spoiled. Okay, so S is the spoiled or not. So if I am taking some 72, so now I am adding some alcohol to this. $150 and above. Okay, some alcohol added. Actually this is fresh one. Okay, food is spoiled. Yeah, I got email alert. And by the way, here also, so here also 150 above, so 1.5 volts and above, food is spoiled. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the humidity with my mouth. Yeah, 33 and 87. Okay, 87 up to, okay, 90 above, it will send the humidity alert. So maximum 33 and 88. So it can't exceed to 90 and above, we will get email alert. Temperature 60 and above and email alert. So now the room temperature is 32 and 80. Humidity is 80, room temperature is 33. There is no banana to the methane sensor. So now the values are updated. So 73, 32, 88 humidity. Okay, IoT based food spoilage detection. One 50 and above. Sending data, send completed. 159. So if temperature crossed 60 and above, it will email alert. 90 and above, email alert. So 150 and above, email alert. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. T for temperature, H for humidity.